Welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, I'm going to teach you exercise 1.2 for the course Math 001 Preparatory Year. Right. What is the topic 1.2? Linear equations in one variable. How to pronounce linear? Okay. Linear equations in one variable. What do you mean by linear? Linear means the power of x is 1. Linear means what? The power of x is what? 1. Something like x power 1 minus 3 equal to 0. X power 1 minus 4x power 1 is equal to 0. Something like that. So when the power of x is 1, so we are going to call it as what? Linear equations. So in this exercise, we are going to solve the linear equations and we are going to check the solutions. Let's go to the first question. Solve the linear equation. Two words you have to remember. First English word is solve and the second English word is check. Solve means what? Solve means you are going to find what? X. Solve means what? You are going to find x. Check means whether the answer is correct or not. You are going to check manually. Keep in your mind, manually means steps are important. And the third thing, you are going to check your answers calculator also, only for checking. But the steps are very, very important in the paper. Keep in your mind. Right. Let's go to the first question. Solve the linear equation. A question. 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Right. And they ask you to what? Check your solution. Right. So 3x is equal to what? This minus 6 goes that side. 6. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. So x is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to what? 2. Now I'm going to check this solution is correct or not. So I am going to check this solution is correct or not. For that you are going to take left and right. What is your left equation? Your left equation is 3x minus 6. 3x minus 6. What is your right? 0. Now what we are going to do? You are going to put x is equal to, what is answer you got? 2. So you are going to put x is equal to 2. If the left side answer is equal to right side answer, it means SR is equal to MN, then automatically this solution is correct. So we are going to put x is equal to 2, right? So 3 times 2 is what? 6 minus 6, which is equal to what? 0. Wow. So left is equal to what? Right. So if it is equal, then you say that x is equal to 2 is the solution. This is the way of checking. So this must be in the paper. So one more check I'm going to tell you. This is only for you to make sure inside the exam room your answer is correct or not. But you are not supposed to do in this paper. Directly you should not write. These steps are very, very important in the paper. Keep in your mind. How to check it out in the calculator. Okay. So come on, take your calculator. Restart your calculator. Restart means what? Shift 9 3 equal. So you're going to restart your calculator. So once you restart your calculator, then you go for what? Type the equation. Type. I'm telling type the equation. What do you mean by type? You're going to type this equation 3x minus 6 equal to 0. 3 and then x. Where is x? X is just keep in your mind alpha. You know alpha in the calculator? Alpha, but then the last row, the black color. Press x. But then minus 6. Okay. And then this equal, again alpha equal. This is alpha. The key is alpha. This also the key is alpha. Keep in your mind. Alpha equal, which is equal to 0, right? And then press 3 keys you have to press. What are the 3 keys? Shift, okay, but then calc and then equal. Press like this, shift calc key. If you press this one, your screen looks like this one. What does the screen looks like? Your x is equal to 2 and L minus R is equal to 0. Are you getting the screen? X is equal to what? 2. L minus R is equal to what? 0. So this is one more way also to make sure your answer is correct or not. But keep in your mind, this one is not at all allowed for exam point of view. Only for you to make sure your answer is correct or not. Clear? So these steps are very, very, very important. Keep in your mind. Left is equal to right. You have to bring it in the paper. Yes. So the first question is over. A question is over. Let me go to the B question. Right. So the B question is, let me have the questions over here, right? Because otherwise if I move the screens here and there, it will be disturbing for you, right? So next B question is solve the equation 5x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 8. Right? Yes. Right. So keep in your mind your x should be all in one side, which is left side, and the number should be in the right side. So here 5x is there, 3x is there. So I'm taking 5x here, 3x I bring after equal sign. So it means plus means it will come minus. So 5x minus 3x. Minus 8 already here, so it is minus 8. Plus 4 I'm bringing that side, which is minus 4. So 5x minus 3x is what? Which is 2x. Clear? And minus 8 minus 4, which is going to become what? Minus 12. Now I divide by 2, I divide by 2. So x is equal to what? Negative 6. So this is your answer. This is for what? Solve. The next what we are going to do? We are going to check your solution is correct or not. Check your solution is what? Correct or not. For this you are going to put left and you are going to put right. What is on the left? Left is 5x plus 4. Okay. And the right is 3x minus 8. So what we are going to do? We are going to put x is equal to what? Negative 6. So put x is equal to negative 6. So 5 times negative 6 plus 4 equals 3 times negative 6 minus 8. Clear everybody? Right. So now put in the calculator this one, or you can do it manually. 6 times 5 is 30, negative 30 plus 4, which is equal to what? Negative 26. 3 times minus 6 is minus 18 minus 8, which is also minus 26. So left is equal to right. Yes, it is equal. So therefore, what is your conclusion? X is equal to negative 6 is the solution. Clear all of you? Right. Now if you want to check in the calculator, please type this equation 5x plus 4. Where is x? Alpha x. Okay. Right. Is equal. Equal, where is equal? Alpha equal. Not your original equal. Alpha equal. And then 3 times what? X alpha x. This is alpha minus 8. And then how many keys you have to press? You have to press shift and then calc and then equal. If you press like this, you will get the answer x is equal to, you will get negative 6 and L minus R is equal to 0. So x value is minus 6 and L minus R equal to 0. Keep in your mind all the time you should get L minus R equal to 0. If you are not getting L minus R equal to 0, then your answer is wrong. Keep in your mind. Okay. So all the time you should get L minus R equal to 0. So this is the way for you to make sure inside the examination room whether your answer is correct or not. But can I take this step directly and write it in the paper, teacher? No. In the paper you should write left is equal to right. You have to make sure your answer is correct or not. So this is called solve. Solve means what? Find x. Clear? And this is called what? Checking. How to check the solution is correct or not. Again I'm telling, this is called what? Solve. So we are going to solve this one, and this is called what? Check. So check means what? Whether the solution is correct or not. Clear? So make sure everything is coming right. Let's go to the next question. Solve the linear equation 6 times x minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 3 times 7x plus 1 and check your solution. So what we are going to do? You are going to solve and you are going to check. So two things, solve and check. Keep in your mind. Okay? Right. So let's start the solution. Right. So we are going to solve first. Yes. So this is 6 times x minus 1 plus 4 equals 3 times 7x plus 1. So this equals 6 times x is what? 6x. 6 times minus 1 is what? Minus 6. Plus 4 equals 3 times 7x is what? 21x. And 3 times 1 is what? Plus 3. Right? So this 6x, I bring this 21x here. All the time you keep the x on the left side. 3 is already here. I'm taking this negative 6 that side as plus 6. I'm taking this positive 4 that side negative 4. Clear everybody? Right. So 6 minus 21. How much? It is negative 15x, which is equal to 6 plus 3 is what? 9. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. Now I want to find x. So I divide by negative 15 and I divide by negative 15. If I divide, I will get x is equal to This I cancel, this I cancel. 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are this one. So I'm going to get 1 divided by negative 3. But this is not a good way of writing. Write minus on the top. So x is equal to negative 1 over 3. Clear all of you? Clear? Right. So keep in your mind, negative don't keep like this. Also one more thing I want to tell. This is also same, sawa. This is also same. All are same. Okay. Right. Keep in your mind. So you can keep your minus on the numerator. Now, I want to check this solution is correct or not. Okay. I want to check what? This solution is correct or not. So, let me take on the left side and the right side. So, what is on the left side? Left side is 6 times x minus 1 and then plus 4. What is on my right side? 3 times 7x plus 1. What I'm going to put? I'm going to put x is equal to what? X is equal to what? Negative 1 over 3. X is equal to negative 1 over 3. So 6 times bracket open, slowly open, another bracket open, negative 1 by 3 bracket close, minus 1 and then plus 4. And this side 3 times bracket open 7 and the x value you are going to put it as negative 1 over 3 and then what? Plus 1. Keep in your mind. Now take your calculator, slowly type this one. Type malum, right? 6 bracket open, again bracket open, minus 1 over 3 bracket close and then minus 1, right? And then close plus 4. You just put it and press equal. What you are getting? Negative 4. Correct? And here you put it 3 bracket 7 negative bracket minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Put it in the bracket. You get negative 4. So now what happens? Negative 4 on the left side and negative 4 on the right side. If the left is equal to right, then what you are going to write? X is equal to negative 1 by 3 is the solution. Teacher, do I need to write this English? No need. Just write at least the single word S. If you write S, it's okay for you, right? So negative 1 over 3 is a solution. Clear? Right. So let me put a neat box. Okay, right. Let's go to the next question. The next question is solve the linear equation, right? Solve the linear equation 5x plus 3 is equal to 6 minus 2x, right? Okay. So let us start the question. Solution, right? So it is 5x plus 3 is equal to 6 minus 2x. Bring all the x one side, 6x. This comes this side. So it is plus 2x equals 6. And this 3 goes that side, 6 minus 3. 5x plus 2x is what? 7x. 6 minus 3 is what? 2. So divide by 7 and divide by 7. So what happens now? Which is x equals 3 over 7. Okay, got it. Now you want to check whether this solution is correct or not, right? So what is on the left side? What is the question number? Question number is what? 22, right? That is classwork number 3. So the left side is equal to 5x plus 3 and the right side is equal to 6 minus 2x. What answer you are going to put it? X equals what? 3 by 7. So put x is equal to 3 by 7 on both sides. So 5 times 3 by 7 plus 3 and 6 minus 2 times 3 by 7. Okay, right. So put in the calculator slowly. So we got 36 by 7. Okay, what happened? This is we got 36 by 7 in the calculator. I put this also in the calculator. I get 36 by 7. So what is the left side answer? 36 by 7. What is the right side answer? 36 by 7. So it means what? It is equal. When it is equal, you are going to say that yes, it is a solution. Clear all of you? Right. So solve and check. In the exam, if the question is solved, just finish here. No need to check it out. Finish here. If the question is solved and check, and you have to do this check also. This is checking, right? Whether the solution is correct or not. Let's go to the next question, right? Solve the linear equation, right? 4y plus 2 minus 5y is equal to 7 minus 6y. Teacher, in the school always I take x in the right side and the number in the left side. Okay, you can do it, no problem. But make sure you are moving correctly. If minus one side, moving other side plus. If plus one side, moving other side minus. But make sure when you are moving, the signs must be careful, right? Now here this and this all should be one side. This is already here, 5y already here, negative 6y comes this side, so it is plus 6y. 7 is already here, 2 goes that side, negative 2. So 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. 10 minus 5 is what? 5y, which is equal to 7 minus 2 is what? 5. So divide by 5, divide by 5. So y is equal to what? 1. Clear all of you? Right. So what we are going to do? We are going to check the solution is correct or not. What is on the left side? The left side you have the equation 4y plus 2 minus 5y. The right side you have is what? 7 minus 6y. Right side is what? 7 minus 6y. Right. Now we are going to put what? Y is equal to 1. When I put y is equal to 1, 4 times 1 plus 2 minus 5 times 1. 7 minus 6 times 1. So 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 6 minus 5 is what? 1. 7 minus 6 is what? 1. So left is equal to right or not? Right. So therefore, yes, it is a solution. Clear all of you? What a lovely question. Okay. So again I'm telling, there are two parts in the question. Number 1 is what? Solve. Number 2 is what? Check. There are two parts in the question. Again I'm telling. So number 1 is what? Solve. Number 2 is what? Check. Again I'm telling. Number 1 is what? Solve. Number 2 is what? Check. So make sure these words are in your mind. If it is clear, then you can do it. The next important concept is very, very important. This one, we are talking about what? X and Y intercepts. What do you mean by x-intercept, teacher? This is called x-axis, right? And this is called what? Y-axis, right? Okay. Suppose I ask you to put the point 2, 0. Where you put 2, 0? 2, 0 is here, right? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, correct? Suppose I say put 3, 0. Where you put x is equal to 3 and 3, 0. Suppose I say minus 1, 0. Where you put this place minus 1, 0. Suppose I say minus 2, 0. Where you put here minus 2, 0. Clear? So you look everywhere here. Y is 0, y is 0, y is 0, y is 0. Can you see that? So therefore, the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Keep in your mind. The equation of x-axis is what? Y equal to 0. Suppose I give another point which is 0, 2 if I give. 0, 2. Where is 0, 2? X is 0, y is 2. So this point is 0, 2. Suppose I give 0, 3. Where is 0, 3? Here it is 0, 3. Right? Suppose I give negative 2, 0. So negative 2, 0 is what? This is negative 2 and negative 2, 0. Clear everybody? Here negative 2, here negative 2 and 0 is here, right? Clear all of you? So it means what? I'm sorry. I made a mistake. 1 minute. 0, negative 2. Sorry, 0, negative 2. So this is 0 and this is negative 2. So it is 0, negative 2, right? Okay. So x is 0, y is negative 2, right? 0, negative 2. So look all of you in this y-axis. You can see x is 0, x is 0, x is 0. So the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So it's just keep in your mind. Already you studied in the school. Let me draw the axis again now. So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. So what is the equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. What is the equation of y-axis? X is equal to 0. Reverse. Keep in your mind. Reverse. Reverse means what? Opposite. You can say like that. X, y equal to 0. Y, x is equal to 0. Suppose a line cut here. Suppose a line cut here. So the two lines are intersecting, right? So this is called x-intercept. And this is called what? Y-intercept. So keep in your mind. X-intercept, y-intercept. So the rule is, now we are talking about rule. The rule is to find x-intercept, you are going to put y equal to 0. To find y-intercept, okay, x is equal to 0. Teacher, do I remember to all these points? No. Only you remember the rule. What is the rule? To find x-intercept, put y equal to 0. To find y-intercept, put x is equal to 0. Teacher, is it easy or difficult? It's very easy, but always students do careless mistake in this question. What is that? Look carefully. This question has 4 steps. How many steps? 4 steps. How many steps? 4 steps. First step is put x is equal to 0. First step is what? Put x is equal to what? 0. If you put x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to, right? And the step number 2 is you have to write x-intercept answer, which is x is equal to 0 and your y answer. And step number 3 is put y is equal to 0. You will get what? X question mark. So the fourth step is y-intercept is equal to, y-intercept means what? Y-intercept means what? Y-intercept. Put a y-intercept is what? Let me go with the order, because if I go like this, maybe you will forget. So let me go with the order. This is not the order. Like, let me go the order. First is x-intercept. Put y equal to 0. This is the first step. Okay. So it means what? You are going to get x and you are going to put y equal to what? 0. Next is for y-intercept. Put x is equal to 0. Right. Then your answer will be x is equal to what? 0, and you get what? Y. You remember like this. This is very simple. So these are the 4 steps you are going to give. Clear, everybody? So these are the 4 steps. Make sure. Now we are going to the question. Find the x-intercepts and y-intercepts. Find the x and y-intercepts of the equation y equals 12 minus x. Y equals what? 12 minus x. Look carefully. 1, 2 pages are there. Yes. Right. So y equals, what is the equation? Y equals, let me see here. Y equals 12 minus 5x. So I'm going to find x-intercept. I'm going to find y-intercept. For x-intercept, what is the rule? Put y equal to 0. For y-intercept, put x is equal to 0. Right? Yes. Now let us start the solution. So what is your equation? Y equals 12 minus 5x. What you are going to do? Put y equal to 0. When I put y equal to 0, right? What I will get? When I put y equal to 0, so we will get what? Y equal to 0. So we will get this 0 equals 12 minus 5x. 12 minus what? 5x. Is this the first question? Right. So you're going to find out, sorry for that. So we are going to find out what? X-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept means what? Put y equal to 0. Y-intercept means what? Put x is equal to 0. I put y equal to 0. So this 5x I take this side, which is equal to 12, right? So divide by 5 and divide by 5. So x equals what? 12 by 5. So this is the value of x. But this is not the x-intercept. I told you, you have to write x-intercept is what? X comma 0. So what is your x value? So x-intercept is 12 by 5 comma 0. So this is your answer. Keep in your mind. Okay, right. So let's go for y-intercept. Put x is equal to 0. So y equals 12 minus 5x. Y equals 12 minus 5. X is equal to 0. So y equals 12 minus 5 times 0 is what? 0. So y equals 12. Is this your y-intercept, teacher? No. So you have to write y-intercept is equal to how? Look here. 0 comma y value. So we are write 0 comma 12. Clear all of you? Right. Close the bracket. Yes. Let's go to the next question. Right. Next question is find the x and y intercepts of the graph. So we are going to find the x and y intercepts of the equation 4x minus 5y equal to 12. So what is the equation? 4x minus 5y equal to 12. You are going to find x-intercept and you are going to find y-intercept. For x-intercept, the rule is put y equal to 0, opposite. For y-intercept, put x is equal to 0. Right. So what is your equation? Your equation is 4x minus 5y is equal to 12. What is your equation? 4x minus 5y is equal to 12. So what we are going to do? We are going to put what? Y equal to 0. We are going to put here what? X is equal to 0. So right. 4x minus 5 times 0 is equal to 12. So 4x is equal to what? 12. So what we are going to do? We are going to divide by 4. We are going to divide by 4. So x equals 12 by 4 is equal to how much? 3. Let's go here. When I put 0, I'll get 0 minus 5 times y, 5y is equal to what? 12. So now negative 5y is equal to 12 because y, this is 0. So now divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. So y is equal to negative 12 by 5. I told you keep the negative sign in the numerator. Numerator means what? Up. Okay, right. So is this your x-intercept, teacher? No. Is this your y-intercept, teacher? No, no, no. Keep in your mind, keep in your mind. These are all x and y values. How to write, teacher, x-intercept and y-intercept? Look here. This is your x-intercept. This is your y-intercept. So this is very, very important point. I told you students always make careless mistakes, remember? And this is the careless mistake. They'll forget the step number 2. They'll forget the step number 4. So step number 2, if you write, then only the problem is complete. Step number 4, if you write, then only the problem is complete. Clear all of you? Right. So here x-intercept is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. Here y-intercept is x is equal to 0 and y is what? Negative 12 over 5. So this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. Clear? So x-intercept, y-intercept is over. Very, very important. Please study very well. Okay? Right. Let's go to the next one, application question. Very easy question. No need to worry. Let me read. The surface area of the rectangular solid is given by. So S is given as how much? 2 times 24 plus 2 times 4x plus 2 times 6x. S is given. Equation. Now, what is the question? Find the length x. So they are asking what? To find x. X they are asking. When the surface area is how much? 248. So how much surface area? 248. That's it given. What you are going to do? You are going to find x. So 2 times 24 is 48. Multiply. 2 times 4 multiply 8x. 2 times 6 multiply, which is 12x. All the x joined together. 248, I bring this 48 this side. Minus 48 equals 8x plus 12x. How much? 20x. 248 minus 40 is what? 200 is equal to 20x. Divide by 20, divide by 20. So what I'm going to get? X is equal to, if you don't know, just put in the calculator. You're going to get what? X is equal to 10. Or you can do like this. 0, 0. 2 times is 10. You can also do like this. So this finishes your exercise 1.2. Right? So please study well. Again, I'm telling, math is very, very important for engineering students. How to study math? While you are watching the video, please keep on writing. Writing is very, very, very important. If you are not writing, then math won't come along with you. So writing is more important. Again, I'm telling, practice makes the man perfect. If you are not practicing, then definitely it will be very, very difficult. So please remember, the main thing is you have to pick your important English words. We call it as keywords. What is the word in this exercise? 2 words are there. Solve and check your solution. So these words, solve means what? To find x. Check means what? Make sure the answer is correct or not. Make sure the answer is correct or not. Clear everybody? Right? So please work very hard. Right? If you found this video is helpful, please like and comment and share it with your friends. Right? See you all in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Dr. Zahir. See you all of you. Take care. Bye bye.